Let's skip the glasses today. I already put them away. Look at my pretty blue eyes. But, yeah, you're probably wondering by the title, how in the world could somebody possibly get 100,000 miles out of a set of brakes? The original factory brakes at that. I didn't get that out of the tires, nonetheless. I only got 29,000 miles out of the tires because as good as Honda is, they put crap tires on their cars. But to get 100,000 miles out of your brakes, I have those, what are they, the boots in the back. They're not brakes, I think they're called boots, whatever they are. I only have the 2 front disc brakes. And the way I've done it is I leave home, 2 miles, I'm to the highway, get off the highway, about 2 miles, I'm to work. So the 35, 36 miles in between, I am on the highway. That is the way you get 100,000 miles out of your brakes. And I'm not quite at 100,000 yet, but I will be come April, which my mechanic told me I will need them done then. I'm not feeling really any pulsating yet or nothing, but he said they're starting to get low and they'll be there by then with my driving practices. And even he was shocked. He was like, I hardly ever hear of people getting 100,000 miles out of their brakes because usually they're so hard on them. Another thing that helps me is my car also has that electronic braking assist, which down hills, it uses some of the engine revs up to about 3,000 sometimes, even 4,000 sometimes. It really goes nuts on bigger hills. And it assists the brakes so it doesn't cause as much wear. So that's the way you do it. You buy a Honda Civic. Well, you don't have to buy a Honda Civic. Other cars have that. But that's what I have. And drive highway as much as possible. See my oil change in my eye. You see it? Yeah. I love you all. We'll see you next time right here with the Gear Shots. Be careful on your brakes and make them last a long time.